Hello everyone, welcome to Edufy India. I request you all to kindly subscribe the channel and click on bell icon to get notified about new videos. My name is Himanshi Sharma. I hope all of you are doing good. This video is for class 3 English and today we will read the poem Sea Song. We will see the explanation of the poem, question answers and complete NCERT exercise. So let's get started. Friends, Sea Song is a poem narrated by a child who talks about a song that he could hear from a shell. This child tells that the song is clear and very soothing. Now, let's read this poem paragraph by paragraph and see its explanation. I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the sand. I picked it up and took it home, cold inside my hand. Friends, one day a little boy was walking on the sand near a sea when he found something very interesting. What was that? That was a shell. We call shell shank in Hindi. He explained that shell is curly one. It was lying on the sand, so he picked it up. He was feeling cold while resting that shell in his hand. Now he wanted to show this unique shell to his mother. So he planned to take this shell to his home. Mummy looked at it and then she held it to my ear, and from the shell there came a song, soft and sweet and clear. Now he came back home and showed it to his mother. His mother did something amazing and interesting. She picked that shell and held it to the child's ear. From that shell there came a sound like a song. That song was soft, sweet and clear. It was melodious and soothing to the ears. I was surprised. I listened hard, but it was really true. I wish you would find a nice big shell and hear it singing too. Now that child got surprised to hear a song from the shell. He listened to the song very carefully. It was true that shell was producing sound. Now that child got very happy and he started wishing that everyone should find one big and nice shell near a seashore so that everyone can listen to the sweet and clear song from the shell. So friends, did you like this poem? From this poem, we get to know that there is life in the sea. There are different kinds of aquatic animals that live in the sea. They can be very small like a small fish and very big like a giant whale. Nature has provided shell to some of the marine animals like snail and turtles so that they can protect themselves from outside danger. That's why we should not pollute sea and other water bodies because it causes danger to the life underwater. Now let's discuss question answer of this chapter one by one. Question number 1 is, where did the child find the seashell? Answer is, the child found the seashell lying on the sand. Question number 2 is, what did the child do with the shell? Answer is, the child picked it and took it to his home in his hand. Question number 3 is, what did the child hear? Answer is, the child heard a sweet, soft and clear song from the shell. So, word building time. Question is, pick the rhyming words from this box and pair them in the spaces below. The first one has been done for you. So the rhyming word of found is sound. Next word is cold. Rhyming word of cold is bold. Next word is took. Rhyming word of took is look. Next word is sand. Rhyming word of sand is hand. Next word is mummy. And rhyming word of mummy is tummy. Next question is, filling the blanks with the opposite word, choosing from the box below. The first one is done for you. So the opposite of found is lost. Opposite of hard is soft. Opposite of inside is outside. Opposite of took is gave. Opposite of big is small. Opposite of came is went. Opposite of pick is drop. Opposite of true is false. Opposite of curly is straight. Opposite of cold is hot. Opposite of sweet is bitter. And opposite of tall is short. Next exercise is let's write. Now let's read this poem titled The Sea is Big. The sea is big. It is very, very big. You cannot see the other side of the sea. You can cross the sea in a ship, but you must go for many, many days. So the question based on this poem is choose the right word and fill in the blank. The sea is very, very big or far? Yes, the sea is very, very big. Next one is you cannot hear or see the other side. Yes, the answer is you cannot see the other side. Third one is you can or cannot cross the sea. Answer is you cannot cross the sea. And the last one is you can cross it in a bus or ship. Yes, the answer is ship. You can cross it in a ship. Next question is match the phrases with the picture. First one is already done for you. A bird is singing. Next one is a cow mooing. So here is the cow. A phone ringing. Phone is here. A dog barking. We can see dog here. A cock crowing. Here is the cock. So friends, I hope now you have understood that there is much importance of water in our lives and we should conserve it and should not waste or pollute it because even a drop can bring life. So save water. If you find this video helpful, then do like, comment and share and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.